another special live video. So today we are plan to do something important in the live video. Today we are going to read newspaper for you, the newspaper of economic times. So today I'm going to tell you some important news about some important news. So first of all, the news I'm going to tell you on economic times that your trust over here is the foundation of our success, that is given by Punjab National Bank celebrating 130 years. ICC Prudential Blue Chip Fund. Do you know what is a blue chip company? Let me tell you, a blue chip company is something which is a very big company. That is what I know. Other than that, I don't nothing more. So Signic Polachi sees DMK BJP battle. BJP falls in fund memory of a pioneer. NSE. NSE. Do you know what is NSE? NSE is National Stock Exchange. Do you know what is SEBI? SEBI is Security and Exchange Bureau Board of India. So this I don't know when it is raw, but I think this is federal banks related information, and it was telling you about Nippon Life Asset Management Firm. So Nippon is achieving a great amount of money these days. Let me tell you, bank seeks flexible reserve norms as RBI weighs risks. Why India is a tough game for global mutual funds. I don't know what is it, what the newspaper is saying, but today I want to tell you very important thing about the news, that if you want to know where to, if you are very much confused where to invest, in which country you should invest in, so I'm going to tell you that the best place to invest in is in India. If you want to grow rich, the best person, if you want to make your money work hard for you, then the best place to make your money work is in India. So if you are having 10 to 15 lakh rupees right now in your bank account, then you should definitely invest in India. Like, you can invest in blue chip funds and invest in long time. I would suggest that, because in long time you will going to gain a lot of profit. But if you are looking for short term benefits, then you can go for mutual funds, because right now it is the right time to buy stocks. Good mutual funds also, you can go for stocks which are related to BJP, because each and every projection is saying that BJP government is going to form the government again for the 2024. So I must suggest that the stocks and shares that are working for BJP government, you should go for that stock only. You should pick that stock only, because that stock will, after the BJP government is going to make the government again, BJP Bharatiya Janata Party make the government again, then eventually the stocks will gain the profit. So it's like you can get a 2x profit very soon. So invest in blue chip funds, that are the best. Then you can take out some good mutual funds as well, that are also. So yes, it's also good. But other than that, I would suggest you should invest in real estate also. If you are having 10 to 15 lakhs, sorry, 50 to 40 lakhs, then you should try purchasing a commercial space, because right now in real estate, domestic space is not good for, not worth it. If you are looking for real estate investment purpose, you can definitely go for this commercial space, because commercial spaces are giving you high yields. Like, it is giving you rents, good amount of rents are given for the commercial space. Currently the commercial space in big top metro cities are very high, if you are looking for a good commercial space. But if you are looking for a small commercial space, like for the societies, commercial spaces, like people living in a society. For example, if VJ is a society, then in VJ the commercial spaces will be accordingly, because right now people are setting up big societies uh, in the outskirts of the cities. And currently what is happening right now, that you don't have enough space in the city area, in the city center, so people are moving outskirts of the city. So people are more into investing outskirts of the city, and places outskirts are developing in 5 years, very fast. Very fast development is going, has taken a second gear, and it is moving to the third, it is going to move to the third gear. So I suggest you, if you want to make your money grow very fast, then you should be investing in India. India is the best place to invest right now. Other than that, you must be having questions like, who am I to suggest you that you should invest in a particular thing? Well, that is up to you only, because see, whenever someone is giving you consultancy or advice about investment, please don't take that advice seriously. You should go and study yourself. You should analyze everything, because markets are subject. Sorry, these things are, investments are subject to market risks. So you should read all the related documents carefully before investing. You should not go with my advice that whatever I am saying you should directly invest. You should when if you are investing in a stock, you should definitely see 2 to 3 things, basic important things, like the history of the company. Secondly, you should look at what the company has to offer to you, what are the company's future plans, what is the company's goals. Then thirdly, what is the market cap of the company. If you are going to check these three things, then you are going to definitely going to analyze whether a company is good or bad. You if you are going to If you are going for IPO gains, let me tell you what is an IPO. I've already told you many several times, but I will tell you again. IPO is something which is called initial public offering. There are two types of market in the stock market. There are two types of fundraising places: the initial primary market and the secondary market. So in primary market, what we do is that people, when a company or a firm requires investment or requires money from the market, then it lists itself in the primary market, and that is called initial public offering. It offers people some lot sizes of 15,000, so it offers that to people. And then after listing the people after listing itself in the stock market, the company finds funds and then then gains to the secondary market. In secondary market, the stocks are traded according to the demand and supply of the timings of the market performance of the company's performance, everything depending globally. And basically, most people ask why Indian stock market is dependent on the US stock market. So according to me, if someone is saying that the US stock market is dependent on the US market, because according to me, I think US stock market has a lot of potential. US stock market has the ventures capitalists, and many big firms are there in US stock market, which is funding very much, very highly in the Indian stock market. And especially the dollar currency is very much influential in the world. If the price of dollar goes down, then it is a global currency, so everything goes down. So yeah, so you can say America or US is having a hierarchy or a edge in this market manipulation thing. Well, now I come to a word, market manipulation. So what do you think, what is the daily trade target of Indian stock market? So well, there are two types of market: stock market and the money market. Every country has the stock market, and the money market is of two types: the forex market, where the currency is traded, and the secondly is the market where Other than currencies, your options like gold, silver, these things are traded. So money market is a very great place. People, if you want, if you know how to do this charts, if you know how to do technical analysis very well, then you can go to the money market. Because I have communicated, I've talked to several people, had a great conversation on this topic. Why after learning technical analysis people move towards forex trading, or this you call money market. So the basic reason is this only: the forex market or the money market is having a great amount of money, like 1 lakh crore rupees is the daily trade limit of the money market. So people are coming on the money market to do so. So that is the reason why money market is not influence, not the what was I saying? Yes, money market is not. I'm not recollecting what was I saying. The word. What the word I just said, I'm not recollecting it at the moment. Well, leave it aside. I was saying yes, the money market is not influential, not capitalized, not biased. No one can control the money market. That the word I'm not recollecting right now. So yes, you can invest in forex if you know very much about technical analysis. If you know how the indicators works, how the graph goes, what type of indicators are there, what type of symbols, what type of patterns charts are making, how the charts are working, then you can easily uh, invest in forex market. Because what happened in stock market, the capital is very low. The daily limit of the capital is suppose 5,000 crores per day, per day daily transaction. But the forex is 1 lakh. So definitely an individual cannot manipulate, yeah, manipulate, the word was manipulate the market. So that is the thing. Stock market can be easily manipulated. If you are having 1,000 crores in your account, 1,000 crore in your account, then you can easily manipulate the stock market daily. But never happens to the this never happens to the stock market. What do you call money
Stock
market?
markets.
Money market is very very genuine. That is what I heard from one from my friends, what they has to tell you about the money market. Well, they are still new on the money market. They are just exploring money market. But yes, as I watched the Harshad Mehta scam 1992, so eventually he also went to the money market later, and he made a lot of profit. But yes, if you are thinking that I will make a good profit in futures and options and intraday trading, so let me tell you that you should do intraday trading only in equities, not in future and options. Future and option is very risky, very very risky. Because when you think it is a sure call, 100% sure call, then there is the high chance of these manipulative people that are above you, who are taking you, who are having 500 to 1000 crore sum of money, and just there in the market. So they what are they doing? They are easily manipulating the market. So they know what are you thinking, what are your strategies. So they do what you think is a sure call, then you will definitely going to earn money. They do exactly the opposite. Exactly the opposite they do. First one is the in starting, and this is the main thing. If you have a great sum of money with yourself, you can easily manipulate the stock market. But if you are not having the great sum of money, you cannot manipulate the stock market. So it is like that about the stock market. Other than this, if you yeah, I was talking about equity is also very important thing. When you are, well, see, let me tell you from where I am collecting these knowledge. So I recently joined a add-on course from my college only on the share market. So I got a little bit of intel about share market. Well, I'm not a pro, not an expert right now. I'm not even certified that I can give you advice, but I'm sharing you some information that I have, and you can just increase your knowledge about the share market, or basic knowledge what is share market, because I know most of the people don't know what actually share market is. So then one thing I was telling you about equity intraday trading. Equity intraday trading is very interesting thing. In that you are not expected to earn a lot of profit, but yes, it is very interesting because you it is not manipulative firstly, and secondly it is very much sure that you are going to make profit. Like if you do fundamental analysis, or if you read about stocks, if you read about what is happening on the market, if you read about you want to come into the live stream. These guys never want to come in the live stream, but when I am doing the live stream they always peep what I am doing. What, god knows what they are. So I was telling you about the equity market. So if you are doing equity intraday trading, then there is a less chance of you having loss. So yes, you should start doing equity trading because it is not that manipulative firstly. Secondly, if you involve larger capital, then you will have less percentage of profit. So if you are thinking of having a lot of profit, then you should go for futures and options trading. But yes, that is very risky. Very high risk is involved in futures and option. But in case of equity intraday trading, there is less risk involved. So if you are doing intraday trading, I just came to know by one of my friends today that when you are trading intraday, then you have to, if suppose you are buying a stock for a long term, if a stock costs you 300 rupees, suppose 100 rupees, all right, suppose 100 rupees is the cost of a stock, and you are buying, you are you are taking the delivery of the stock, then you have to pay 100 rupees. But when you are doing intraday trading for the equity market, intraday trading of the equity market, you just have to give the 0.5%, sorry, you have to give less than 5x of the profit, 5x of the cost of the stock. So if you are buying a stock suppose 100 rupees and taking the delivery, then you have to just give 20 rupees. You just have to invest 20 rupees into the market, and then you can buy the stock. You can easily purchase the stock. And the profit scheme is very interesting. When you are going for the profit is just same as this as it is of the delivery. So you can make a lot of profit in intraday trading. But again, it is also in it also requires a lot of capital. Suppose if you are buying a stock of 100 rupees, right? So it gains 1 rupee, all right. So what is the use if you are investing 100 rupees and you are just buying one stock? Then eventually you will going to pay taxes, and that 1 rupee is not going to make you any profit. But yes, if you are going to invest, suppose 10,000 rupees, then you are going to buy 100 shares. If you are buying 100 shares of 100 rupees, then you are investing 100 rupees into the market. And suppose that 100 shares, each worth 100, uh, goes up to 1 rupees. For example, you purchase the stock for 100 and that goes for 101, then you are having 100 rupees profit in a second. As the market goes, not in a second. If the stock goes 1 rupee, it grows 1 rupee, then you are going to have a 100 rupee profit per share. So it is like that. So yeah, it is very great investment strategy. It is very nice. Don't come into my live video, otherwise you will shout again and again. You can enjoy. Well, okay, so I was telling about the equity trading. Then let me tell you about some things about the future and options. So there are things like S&P 500 stocks, then there are Nifty 50, Bank Nifty. These are the columns under which the top companies or the top major performing companies of the share market comes. But yes, I'm not telling you about more about future and option, because currently I'm not knowing about future and option very much, and not about technical analysis, because I just know a basic thing, basic outlook about the share market. there is a vast and very deep course of share market, and I suggest you that you should learn share market thoroughly. You should know about share market very well before investing. And other than that, you should do paper trading, because paper trading is the best thing to analyze yourself whether you are going to do something correct or not, whether you are going to hold a share of or not. If you want to know what you are doing is right, then share market or this paper trading thing. What is paper trading? Before that, if I'm moving into this deeper, I would like to tell you what is paper trading. So paper trading is nothing but when you involve when you involve fake currency or digital currency or normal currency in the stock market into the real stock market, but your profit is in that. So my friend Anshul is there. If you say what do you want to say? Fuck you. Fuck you. What do you want to say, Anshul? Hello guys, my name is Ranshul. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. Enjoy. Night. Good night. So they were just coming in. So that is what I wanted to tell you about the stock market. And other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the live stream video. So I won't be continuing long. I want to grab some coffee. So that was a 20-minute session from my side for today. And yes, today I'm going to upload this live video, because I think there is nothing of that sort that it should not be available to media. Because yeah, one thing is bad about this live stream is that the lighting is not good, not up to the mark. But yes, again I will try to improve the place or making the content video. Because what I'm seeing, that if I'm creating a live video, 5 to 6 people were saying looking the video throughout the live stream. But if I upload, most people will reach out to the live video and will get what I am saying. So eventually my target audience will increase. And yes, I can share with you what I am knowing about knowing about the market, or knowing something important. So well, I want to make this YouTube channel a little bit informative for you, because some people were saying you don't know anything, you are just making fool of people. Yeah, that is correct in some ways, but yeah, I'm also much concerned about that. If I am taking your time, then I should provide you something valuable for it. So I must be sure that 80% of you watching this content must not be knowing about the share market, about 5% of it. So or nothing about what I told you in the market. So there are three types of market. I already told you: futures and options, and equity market. Futures, options, equity market. Three types of market. Three types of trading. Basically, market is already of two types: primary market and the secondary market. Alright, so this is it. So well, you must be thinking that I am taking a commerce lectures of yours, but yes, to be honest to you guys, that I have never studied commerce in my life as an academic subject. So these are my knowledge from some of the other materials that I have studied, or just have gone through, or from my friends knowledge who are active traders. Yes, I'm going, buddy. I'm going for the tea and for coffee. Do you want to join in the live stream? अरे आप अभी दंगा बंदी कर रहे थे यार, क्या हो गया? So it is like that. So I would end my live stream for now, and hope you had a great time in this live stream with me. And yes, I am also increasing my knowledge day by day, and I want you to also get the knowledge that I am gaining, so that whatever time you are giving here in this content in my channel, so that can benefit you. Because if we go on the grounds of maturity, and if it goes for the future of this channel, then eventually there is nothing that I'm going to excite you all about every day, and hello guys and like that. To be honest, that is true. So I would like to give you some intel, some informative content also, other than my short videos, because short videos are short. So in that there are nothing much I can tell you about. So in this I will tell you more about my knowledge, what I am gaining in these days. Well, tomorrow I will suggest you about some coding tips, because I am a BCA student. So I will tell you something about BCA. If you are willing to watch that, give a thumbs up. You can give a thumbs up or comment down, because this video will be public very soon. Well, I am not sure whether when it is going to be public, but it is going to be public very soon, hopefully. Very much interesting for you. I made a not a very interesting content today, but it was a serious one. So thank you for watching. That's it for now. Hope you had a great time.